And the serial number is 5938. Yeah, it's 5939 in the thing speed. 6 hours. The capacity is 3 persons and 2 equipment. A little bit tiny. Will be inspected in 2023. Lauttasaari. Tromsø, Helsinki, Finland. The sounds are amazing here.
Yeah.
It's even better than in Stegesby.
Yeah. Tippaakin vai pitää meidän teeppaissilla.
Not the best possible maintenance, but
Yeah.
still maintain original.
Yeah.
This one, metal plate is original. What do you think? There's a hole there,
Yeah.
so it's been changed, but it's still old.
Oh yeah.
So maybe it was changed in '96. Maybe it was somebody screwed it off and they got a new one. Like not a long time after this was finished.
Yeah.
Sometime in the mid or late 1950s. Maybe 1956. Again. So thank you very much for watching.
That's it.